Having trouble with live text on your iPhone? No need to worry. This guide will show you easy ways to fix the issue and make live text work again. Let's begin. Solution 1. Check if live text is enabled. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Language and Region. Scroll down and make sure that live text is turned on. If it's off, toggle it on. Now, restart your iPhone. After that, check your issues. Solution 2. Update iOS. Outdated software can cause issues with live text. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, restart your iPhone and try using live text again. These steps should help you fix the live text issue on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for the next video.